Something came in the mail today. Check it out. Yeah. Let's go open it up, see what it is. Alright, got it open. Oh yeah, look at that. What do you think? What do you think it's gonna look like? What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today's gonna be a fun one and I'm so excited. I have a bunch of parts in my garage. As you notice, we have the front bumper, the back bumper, we got the body kit off of everything. I do need to take off the rocker panel on the other side, clean it up, and I think we're gonna do the rocker panels backwards. I've seen that done before, so it looks good. I kind of like it, so I think we're gonna do that. But today's a very exciting one because I got my cluster back. Yeah, sent this out, had the LEDs removed, changed out, and we're gonna put it back in the car. I'm gonna let you see because I did not like that orange. Not like it at all, and I know some of you didn't like it. So we're gonna put it back in the car, we're gonna take a look at it, and then I'm gonna give you the information to where you can send yours, get it done. It's cost efficient. This guy is really good, very specific, and you know, always sends you messages, always gives you updates, and I'm going to show you that. But we're going to put this in the car. Also, I got new HVAC knobs here. As you can see, these are different than the ones that are in the car. The second gen from 08 to I believe 13 has the knobs that are just black here. These got the chrome knobs, so put these in there as well. Oh, we're gonna change the LEDs to blue too. And then this is gonna be at a later date. Illuminated emblem. Yeah, this one's for the back. I'm gonna have to drill a hole, so there's gonna be a video for this one. We'll put that one in there. I'm still looking for the front bumper, but we'll figure that one out. Eventually I'll get it. I might not. You know, those are hard to find, discontinued, all that. You know what I'm talking about. So that'll be a later date. But the cluster, I just finished washing the back. I do have to pre-wire the back for the bumper because I'm gonna put lights in place of the reflectors. So I'll show you what I'm talking about now. Alright, so also what we're going to do is we're going to take off the reflectors that are on the KENSTYLE body kit, because I'm going to wire some lights that are connected to the brake lights that go off. That way people can see me more than just a reflector being there. So it's a 10mm screw, so you're going to need a deep, so it's a 10mm screw, you're going to need a deep socket. And that's the reflector there. And as you can see, it's just a 10mm and then a small little clip there. And so in the future, what I'm gonna add, once we get everything painted, I have a whole bunch of parts. Like, I'm so ready for this build to really get going. So I have these that will go in here, and then we will wire these to the brake lights. That way people can see me more often. And I believe, no, I think these are just for the brake lights. I don't think it's anything else. There's 3 wires here, but I think it's just brake lights. Because I could have got the clear ones, but I got the red instead. So we'll put these on in the future. Once we get the bumpers painted and the body kit put on, I'll pre-wire these from the brake light down to the bottom, and then have it ready to when we put these on. All right, so now that we've got the cluster back, as you can see here, it's pretty easy to reconnect. It's just 2 plugs here. And I can't reconnect it. There we go. There. And there. Just put it back just like this. And then there's 4 screws, 2 at the top, 2 here on the sides. Let me grab my keys. All right, you guys ready? You ready to see what this is gonna look like? It's sweet, I love it. All right, so as you can see, we changed all the LEDs to white instead of orange. I think it looks awesome. It looks really good. That orange was an eyesore, but this here, Leo did an awesome job. I sent it over to him. I'll give you the information in the description, and just message him if you want to get this done. This is only for Gen 2 SCION XBs. He does not do the first gens. So if you want this done, it's affordable. He does a great job. He does have a busy schedule, so you might want to contact him first and plan it out with him, and then just go from there. So I'll show you the process on what he did.
So I changed all 3 of these, all 6 of these, those 2 there, and these 4. And those are the old LEDs right there. Here I'm testing the LED. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but so white. I'm just testing it with the KENSTYLE battery. Here's the cluster, man. I know you said you want to make something blue or something. I don't know. Maybe that RPMs, but let me know. So far it looks good. Also, if you want, I can add, it's kind of hard to see, but a TRD sticker on it if you want, a red one. That covered up the little RPM needles. That part right there. On mine. Alright, here's it at night, so you can see the cluster lit up at night. I'll try to add the blue on there, maybe tomorrow, because I'm about to take off from work. But that's how it looks at night. Alright, here's the gauge with the blue on it. Looks pretty good. Let me know what you think.
All right, so there you have it. Leo, man, you did an awesome job, and I love the way that it looks, and it's gonna match everything that I do to this car. I mean, I have so many parts, but I really do need to get the front back bumper, everything painted before I really start doing the inside. But this makes a big difference. So if you want to get this done, contact Leo. Information's down in the description, and he'll get you set up for sure. So now we're gonna put this back. We have 4 screws. One there. One here. So you have one there, one here, and then you have two at the top. Make sure to take your time. You don't want to lose any of these screws. I also had the idea of changing all the other LEDs, like the reds to blues, but I think this looks really nice. All right, so we'll put this back on, and again, this is just held on by clips, as you can see, clips. So when you're taking it off, it sounds horrible, but you'll be all right. All right, there you go. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Yeah, I really like it for sure. All right, so now with the HVAC controls, as you can see, those are all black, and then these have the chrome. So it's a nice touch. Like I say in my other videos, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. So I'm not going to show you how to take all this off. You can see that in my previous video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the LEDs to the blue LEDs and put this in there, and we should be good to go. All right, so here you go. Put the LEDs in the new HVAC controls there. You got the USB that's blue, badge is blue. Now the HVACs are blue and they're now chrome compared to what we had before. See there? Makes a little difference. I like it. This is going to change. I think I'm going to do the 10-inch that I put in my first gen and put the 10-inch in here as well. I really like that radio. So we may do that. And then the cluster. Man, that looks sweet. Yeah, I like it. It's coming together. Alright, so since we got the KENSTYLE body kit off of the bumper, I want to take the KENSTYLE plate off. It's held by double-sided tape, just like the body kit. So we'll take that off, so when we send it to paint, I don't want it to get ruined, and I want to get painted underneath. So we'll take that off, and maybe we'll paint the inside black and then put this on there. So let's get to it. So we're just using a heat gun, heating the bottom of it, get it soft, and then we'll slowly pry it up, and I mean slowly, very carefully, because you can't find these anymore. I did get some double braided fishing line and tried that, but I think it has to be some type of wire to be easier because it just snapped. Maybe I got the wrong line, but you know, I do stuff, so you get it right the first time. And slowly but surely, you can take it off. Again, it's just double-sided tape. So maybe when we go into paint, I'll have them paint the inside black here, and then, you know, we'll put the badge back on. But yeah, it's so nerve-wracking taking stuff like this off because it's so rare. I went to a Toyota dealership in Houston, and you know, the guy was like, "I can find anything." He said they've been discontinued since 2019, and they're nowhere to be found in the system. So 2019 was the last year that they were available. So yeah, gotta take care of these. All right, so there you have it. We took the badge off of the KENSTYLE back bumper, and we put in the new cluster, which I like. Description down below. The guy that can do it, Leo, awesome job. And then we put the new HVAC control knobs with the chrome from a newer model, SCION XB 2nd gen. So more stuff to come. I have to take the other rocker panel off. We're gonna put the bumpers on. We're gonna put the brackets on. Hopefully we'll take it to paint really soon and start getting things going. And then we'll probably also do the 10-inch stereo in there. I'm not going to be too worried about the audio just yet. I want to get everything done on the outside and then maybe lower it. I do want to bag it, but I don't know if that's going to happen. It may just be a stance. TRD, maybe. I do have the Racelands on my 1st gen. I really like those, so maybe I'll do that on there. I don't want to drop it too much because I don't want to scrape any of the front body kits, so we'll see how that goes. Look down below for Leo's information if you want to get your LEDs done on your cluster, and you can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Oil and Gears. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!